then oh. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is Saturday afternoon at 4 p.m. and I just woke up from my long beauty nap. So here we go. I'm gonna make something really good for tomorrow's lunch. So I need to prepare right now, and it's really easy, but it takes a while to fry it. It's called shrimp rangoon. It's like fried dumpling with the cream cheese, with the shrimp. Oh my god, it's really good. So let's get started. So to get started, we need the ingredients. It is wonton skin. You can find it in any Asian stores. Mine use wonton or shumai wrappers. And then here, or you can use any kind of brand that you have. And then crab stick. This is to add the color inside the wonton, the fried wonton. And shrimp. Don't forget to peel off the skin, whole entire skin including the tail, because we need to chop it. And then cream cheese. Of course, you can use any kind of brand for the cream cheese. It has white texture and it's soft. And then black pepper. You can use just a little bit, maybe about half tablespoon or so. And then garlic powder. Yep. Then the last one is water, just a little bit of water. Okay, here we go everyone. This is the shrimp. I already chopped it into small pieces. And then this is the crab stick. And then I will put the garlic powder. This is about half tablespoon. Same thing with black pepper. You can put half tablespoon. Okay. And then don't forget cream cheese. I use six cream cheese, just like this. You can put another type of cream cheese, but this is what I have on my fridge. Okay, and then just mix it. So you see here, everything is mixed together. So here we go, the wonton skin, the cream cheese and everything that we made before, and the water to glue the wonton. Let's get started. So put about half tablespoon, not too much, into the wonton skin. You see here. You see? And then use your point finger to add a little bit water. Don't forget to wash your hand first. And then put in the edge of the skin. Then shape it as what you like. You can shape it as triangle or any kind of form that you prefer. Here you go. Then the last one, we're going to fry it. So use the heat about 350 Fahrenheit. Just wait until it's ready. Or if you want to use air fryer, it's fine, but just put it about 370 or 380 Fahrenheit for about 10 until 15 minutes. But you need to check it every 5 or 6 minutes. Yep, and we're ready to fry this. I'm not going to fry all of these. I'm going to save this for tomorrow. You can eat it as snack or you can eat it with the rice. It's totally up to you. Okay guys, that's it for today. Hope you enjoy my video. Bye!